Welcome back to the channel here at Trades2G. My name is Sammy. Today we're going to chart ASST, BULL, and BITF. I'm giving you 3 tickers today, and I want to say thank you because of your likes. I'm going to continue to deliver the content you asked for, the TA. So I only ask, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join the Discord. Let's talk about ASST first. We had an absolute monster of a trade. Volatility candle at $1.39, and thus we came back at this beautiful pattern called the ascending wedge. Price action finding new higher lows, but rejecting at the 382, $1.81. So I love seeing this because this is actually a good thing, especially what I mentioned in my previous video. SPY and Bitcoin have to act nice. If they don't, ASST is not going to. But the fact that Bitcoin is sitting at 106,000, massive sell-off, price action's really finding a new higher low off of this trend line, ASST. Consider this a W, a small win. Price is not collapsing to the downside. Price is struggling to break to the upside at $1.31. But that's good. It's consolidation. If we fail to hit this, if we fail to this trend line, your next area of support is what? Your previous at price action at the 0.5, $1.19. So consider this a win. And look, I even drew the little trend line, or what it would look like in the future, possibly. Consider a small W. So nothing to see, nothing to worry about. Everything looks good. Getting straight into BITF, absolutely catching a beautiful candle here. Literally touched a 382, $4.55. We broke out of this downward channel, and who saved the day? IREN and Microsoft. Microsoft investing in IREN, approximately $9.2 billion. Microsoft invested in IREN, and guess who caught some of that action? BITF. So we did see a catalyst today, and we needed it because we broke out of this downward channel, and we are now making new what? Higher lows. Higher lows, just like ASST, higher lows. So BITF catching a nice, beautiful candle today, and now we have new liquidity entering. This is what I call FOMO. People are saying, oh my God, Bitfarm is at $4. Data center play in the future. Yeah, I'm going to get in on this because look at all these data center plays catching massive multi-year deals in such a short time frame. So once Bitfarm executes on their data center play, they're more than likely going to catch the same wave. Multi-billion-dollar deals, and multi-years at that. So this is great to see. We're out of this downward channel. We hit a 382, new higher low. All I can say is this is a news play, but we will see tomorrow what's going to happen. Otherwise, I do see it coming back down to this range at approximately 396. It likes to find a support and resistance here. If it breaks down below the 396, I do have this bearish trend line roughly sitting at the next price action roughly will be around 371. If we come back down here, we have layers here, but let's continue to look at the small W's, okay, folks? Let's continue the small W's. And last but not least, Webull. Okay, guys, this was a no-brainer for me. I bought at support, and this was like a, I'm looking at this chart, and I couldn't believe how cheap the stock is at exactly $10.31. Are you kidding me? The last time we were in this range, literally the first touch was back in June 4, 2025. June 4, 2025. And look at the price action sitting and fighting in this range, and thus we had a launch pad mode at $18. If you think I didn't buy at support, well, I can sell you Pink Bridge under Tennessee. I can say, just in general, like, guys, this is absolutely crazy how undervalued this ticker is. So I bought at support, and I'm from a risk reward, I took a chance. But I really want to start swinging this if we can. Hopefully we get above the 786. If not, I will sell at the 786. Not financial advice. That's just how I would play this, okay? Personally, I would love to get it above the 786, but I have to be realistic here because if you look left, we have key resistance, sell-off, resistance, sell-offs. Try to break out. You had a shooting star at the impulse, and thus you failed the breakout. Okay, so I'm swinging this. First area I'm looking for resistance 786. If we break above the 76, and I do see volume here, then I'll probably just swing it all the way up to this 0.65. All right, so I'm glad to buy Webull at these lows. I'm sorry, but this is just a literally monthly low. This is literally low, cheap. I'm sorry. All right, risk reward. I like my odds. Thank you so much for thank you so much for watching my video. Like the video, Wow, I'm thinking too fast. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join the Discord. God bless you guys, and tune in for tomorrow and 9:30. And I will be streaming tomorrow, and so on and so forth. The more you guys continue to support me, the more I continue to support you. All right, thank you so much.